Elon Musk says he will donate $100 million to whoever invents the best carbon capture technology. I think he put this on Twitter in the form of a tweet, actually. Yes, here's the tweet. I'm donating 100M towards a prize for best carbon capture technology. Now, what this is, Will, is obviously for the environment. He's looking for any technology that can capture carbon dioxide, trapping it directly from the air or just before it gets emitted from factories or power plants. I suppose there could be a variety of proposals for how to do this, but in capturing it, you can obviously avoid having it enter the atmosphere and, you know, damaging the ozone and all the rest of it. In fact, what they do, Will, after they capture it, they pump it back down into Earth where it can stay.
Like, get back in there.
Yeah, exactly. It can stay hidden in there. Or they can use it for something else. Huh. Now, this article states that they might be able to use it for fizzy drinks.
What?
I'm not even joking.
Carbon?
You don't believe me? Most of the captured carbon dioxide will remain underground, but some of it can also be used to make plastics and fizzy drinks.
Oh, I did not know that.
I mean, they can. It's not like it's dirty.
I thought it was like polluted. It's pollution, isn't it?
Well, yeah. I mean, the ozone don't like it, but your fizzy drinks do.
Sure. Okay.
Your belly does, Will.
Oh, okay.
I know that was kind of funky to see. But anyway, he's been trying to figure out what to do with his money. You know, he's recently the richest guy on planet Earth. I know a lot of that is tied up. This ain't like liquid funds, but he has actually asked, you know, if anybody has any good ideas for how to utilize it. And, you know, he's a little bit unorthodox as far as charity is concerned. And I find this to be an interesting way of doing it, because you're kind of, you're not just handing it over. You're saying, look, I want this cool invention.
Right.
And you're putting people to work and hopefully generating. Now, the only thing I will say is people go to work on this. It appears there's only one $100 million prize. So some people may put a lot of work, engineering firms and the rest of it. But you know what? It is a cool way to go about it. I like a project. I like a task. I like a target. And certainly if it has the potential to improve the environment, then it's hard to be mad at it.
And now, you could probably meet Elon Musk.
Oh, definitely. I mean, if you're getting 100 mil, you're doing the meeting.
Yeah. He pins a star on your chest there. Gives you a high five.
But it is interesting the way you said it, because like 100 mil just goes into your bank account. Like, how does that transaction work? No. He's going to invest 100 mil into the technology. You know, I don't know. I don't know exactly how they're going to do it, but
you might
no,
need
he says
plan,
donate.
Like a
Did he say donate?
Yeah,
something. Donate. Donating 100 million towards a prize. So is the prize even bigger? Will he get his pals to chip in as well?
Oh yeah, he probably has some hefty pals.
You think he's got a few pals?
With, big wallets.
All right, we'll see how that goes. But anyway, that's what he's up to.